By the end of 2026, nearly half of the skills most professionals rely on today will no longer be relevant. This isn't because people are failing to work hard, but because artificial intelligence is being adopted faster than the workforce can adapt. The real divide emerging in the job market is no longer just about job security, it's about employability. Those who understand how to work with AI will thrive, while those who don't risk being left behind. The good news is that staying relevant doesn't require becoming a data scientist or learning to code. What matters is developing a focused set of practical AI skills that employers already value and will increasingly demand. The following skills form a realistic roadmap for anyone who wants to future-proof their career by 2026. Number 1. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the foundation of effective AI use. It goes far beyond casually typing questions into tools like ChatGPT. At its core, prompt engineering is about clearly communicating intent, context, constraints, and desired outcomes, so AI systems can produce precise, actionable results. A vague prompt, such as "write a report," produces generic output. A well-structured prompt specifies length, audience, data sources, format, tone, and objectives, transforming hours of work into minutes. This skill is increasingly recognized as essential professional communication, similar to writing emails or preparing presentations. What separates strong prompt engineers from beginners is iteration. Skilled users refine prompts, test variations, and improve outputs rather than accepting the first response. Building a personal prompt library tailored to one's role allows AI to become a reliable productivity multiplier. As AI adoption accelerates, prompt engineering serves as the base skill that enables all others on this list. Number 2. AI tool fluency. AI tool fluency is not about learning every new application that appears. That approach is unsustainable and inefficient. Instead, fluency means understanding which tools solve which problems in a specific industry and being able to use a small number of them confidently and effectively. Across industries, employers now expect AI tools to be embedded in everyday workflows. Job postings that mention AI skills have increased dramatically, especially in roles like marketing, sales, analysis, and management. However, simply listing tools on a resume is no longer enough. What matters is impact. Demonstrating AI tool fluency means showing measurable results, time saved, costs reduced, or outcomes improved. For example, using AI to cut reporting time by 60% or automate repetitive tasks signals real value. The goal is to master 2 or 3 tools deeply, understand their strengths and limits, and clearly communicate how they enhance performance. Number 3. Data literacy. As AI systems are powered by data, data literacy is a critical skill for interpreting and validating AI outputs. This does not require advanced statistics or programming. Instead, data literacy involves understanding basic analytics, identifying patterns, recognizing bias, and translating insights into decisions. Data-literate professionals can question AI-generated results rather than accepting them at face value. When an AI system reports an improvement, such as higher customer satisfaction, data-literate user asks about baselines, sample sizes, methodology changes, and segment differences. This ability prevents costly misinterpretations and poor decisions. Organizations increasingly reward data literacy because it directly influences decision quality. Being comfortable with dashboards, metrics, and visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau is now considered a baseline competency across many roles. The goal is not mastery, but confidence and critical engagement with data. Number 4. AI ethics and responsible use. AI ethics and responsible use are becoming core business concerns rather than niche technical topics. AI systems can fail quietly, producing biased, inaccurate, or misleading results that appear convincing. When these failures cause harm, responsibility falls on people, not technology. Professionals who oversee AI-driven processes must understand data privacy, bias risks, explainability, and human oversight. This includes familiarity with regulations such as GDPR and emerging frameworks like the EU AI Act. Ethical awareness also means asking vendors and tools critical questions about training data, error rates, and decision transparency. Real-world consequences are already visible. Automated hiring systems, for example, have been shown to reinforce historical discrimination when trained on biased data. Companies that fail to address these risks face legal penalties and reputational damage. Developing AI ethics skills protects both careers and organizations. Number 5. Critical thinking and AI evaluation. AI outputs should never be treated as final answers. Critical thinking and evaluation are essential for determining whether AI-generated content is accurate, relevant, complete, and unbiased. This skill involves fact-checking claims, comparing outputs from multiple tools, identifying hallucinations, and recognizing missing context. Professionals who excel at AI evaluation act as a quality control layer between AI systems and decision-making processes. A simple evaluation framework includes verifying factual accuracy, assessing relevance to the original question, checking for gaps or omissions, and examining potential bias. Organizations. Scaling AI increasingly rely on people who can continuously evaluate and improve AI performance. The objective is not blind trust, but informed skepticism that makes AI more reliable. Number 6. Workflow automation and integration. The true power of AI lies not in isolated tasks, but in integrated workflows. Workflow automation involves identifying repetitive activities and connecting AI tools to handle them end-to-end. Examples include automating report drafting, email follow-ups, scheduling, CRM updates, content publishing, and status reporting. When multiple tools are orchestrated together using platforms like Zapier, APIs, or frameworks such as LangChain, AI systems can operate with minimal human intervention. Automation creates leverage. Saving 2 hours per week on a task translates to over 100 hours per year reclaimed. Professionals who design and manage these workflows are far more valuable than those who only perform individual tasks manually. The key is starting small, proving value, and gradually scaling automation without disrupting existing processes. Number 7. Continuous learning and adaptability. AI evolves faster than any previous technology, making adaptability more important than static expertise. Skills learned today may be outdated within months. As a result, employers increasingly prioritize learning ability over current knowledge. Many organizations struggle to provide adequate AI training, creating opportunities for self-directed learners. Continuous learning involves regularly experimenting with new tools, following industry developments, joining communities, and building projects even without full confidence. The mindset shift is recognizing that learning is no longer optional or confined to formal education. It is part of the job. Blocking time weekly for experimentation, mastering one new technique per month, and documenting progress builds both competence and visibility. Those who learn fastest will lead in 2026. These AI skills represent practical, in-demand capabilities that define career success. Heading into 2026, they are not theoretical or hype-driven. They are already visible in job postings and workplace expectations. A simple action plan is to choose 3 skills to focus on: prompt engineering and data literacy. Form a universal foundation. From there, selecting one advanced skill aligned with career goals. If this video helped you understand where the future is heading, hit like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more deep dives into AI and emerging tech.